morning everyone. My name is Asya. I'm from 5th standard. Today I am saying about mixed word. Snow plus man. Snowman. Grid plus book. Grid book. Ice plus cube. Ice cube. Lead plus man. Lead man. Lady plus finger. Lady finger. Come plus box. Come box. C plus Y. Sigh. High plus phi. High phi. Cute plus pie. Cute pie. Chalk plus cake. Cake. Chalk cake. Chocolate plus cake. Chocolate cake. Chalk plus cake. Chocolate. Kit plus cat. Kit cat. O plus Oreo. Oreo. Gull plus Growl plus roll. Hand plus bag. Handbag. Sun plus cream. Sunscreen. Chair plus air. Chair.